Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blend door actuator in a Dodge Avenger. First, let's identify if your actuator is failing. Listen for clicking or tapping noises behind your dashboard, especially when changing temperature settings. You might also notice your air conditioning blowing only warm air or your heater blowing only cold air. Sometimes, different vents will even deliver varying temperatures, or your defrost function may not work effectively. Before we begin, gather your tools. You'll need a new blend door actuator and a stubby Phillips head screwdriver, which is crucial for tight spaces. A small flashlight will also be very helpful. For safety, always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery cable and wait at least 2 minutes to allow the airbag system to discharge. Next, open your glove box and gently press in on both sides to release it, allowing it to swing down and be removed. With the glove box removed, you can now locate the blend door actuator. It's usually found on the passenger side, behind the glove box opening. Once you've identified the faulty unit, disconnect its electrical wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling it free. Next, use your stubby Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the actuator in place. These screws can be tricky to reach, so take your time. Now, carefully align the new blend door actuator, ensuring its shaft properly engages with the blend door mechanism. Insert and gently tighten the 2 retaining screws. Avoid over-tightening as they secure plastic components. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new actuator. Finally, reinstall your glove box, reconnect the negative battery cable, and start your vehicle. Test your heating and air conditioning system thoroughly to confirm that the temperature control is now working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.